Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to add personalization option on Shopify. Now, there are many customizations that you can do here on your Shopify, but what we are going to add for today specifically is going to be to customize your own product. So basically what you want to do is to have the people or to have the buyer be able to customize the product that they want to buy. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and click my online store, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the customize button. Now here from the home page, click this one here and we're going to go to our products. All right, there you go. And then we're going to create our own template. Now the template that we are going to do is for custom t-shirt or custom product. All right, click create template. All right, now that we are here, we're just going to go ahead and add that custom template. So we're going to add a block. So this block is located under product information. So scroll down here, click add block, and then we're going to go ahead and look for custom liquid. So this one right here. All right, there you go. So now that our custom liquid is here, we're going to go ahead and start. All right, after adding this one, we're going to go to this particular site here. This is amineamare.com. So go ahead and click custom field generator. So scroll down here and we're going to go ahead and see the field settings here. So first one here is type of form field. So you can click this one here and basically choose between the following option. So first things first, let's try to choose, say for example, the size. So we're going to go ahead and choose checkbox or drop down. Basically both is fine. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose drop down for now. And then your label. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here as size. Now click this one and then you have option 1, 2, and 3. So this is option 1. We're going to go ahead and change this one. So this is small. And then this is going to be medium. And then large. All right, so if I click this one, you can see them there. Now, make the field required. Make sure to do this one. We're just going to go ahead and copy the code. Simple as that. Go back here. And then here in the custom liquid, click this one and then paste the code here. All right. After pasting, close this and you should see it down here. There you go. So now we have the size here. So you have the material, you have the size, and then we're going to go ahead and add another custom liquid. Say for example, you want them to be able to add a text in there or a print, okay? Or maybe a picture even. So yeah, let's try that one. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. We're going to go ahead and okay. All right, say short text. So for the short text, this one is going to be for the text, okay, or your maybe a name. So let's say for example, kind of like a jersey, you know. So yep, be able to customize the text character limit. Let's set this one to say for example 10. All right, make the field required. Make sure to do that one. Copy it once again. Go back here and then paste it in the next liquid. All right, close this. And let's see it. All right, there you go. Now, if they want to add a picture, for example, they can definitely do that one. So say, for example, click this one here, and then we're going to choose file upload. All right, choose file, and then we're going to go ahead and put some picture here. Picture, or maybe like a design or front design. Front t-shirt design, just like that. Now, copy the code once again, put it back here. All right, there you go. So now we have added them. Now let's go ahead and save this one. Now click exit. And then there's another thing that we are going to do. So we're going to go ahead and basically check our products. This one here, this one, and then scroll down. Click the theme template and then choose custom shirt. Save this one. So yep, that's how it looks, everybody. Let's try to hopefully preview this one from our store directly. There you go. There you go. Click this, choose medium, and then the name, I want to put like, say for example, name. All right. Now click this and you can definitely upload. So yep, congratulations everybody. That's just one of the personalization that you can do here on Shopify. Should you wish to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.